Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be making seafood ramen. So this is sea bass right here. So I'll be cutting this up into little pieces. And I'll be putting this sea bass in this ramen here. I'm not going to use a soup base for this ramen. I'll call it sea bass seafood ramen. I'm using the vegetable pack, but I won't be using this soup base. Instead I'll be using garlic salt, soy sauce, onion powder, and this, some kind of, I don't think it's salt, some kind of seasoning. That's what it's called. I'll be using that for my seafood sea bass ramen. This is something I didn't finish last night, so I'm making ramen out of it and eating it for lunch, basically. So cut it into little pieces. The sea bass, and I'll be putting it in the ramen. So I put water in here and I'm boiling it. First I boil it like that, and just put the fish in here first. I'm going to put the ramen in there after, not now, but after I put this in. First I'm going to put this in first. Usually the soup base for the ramen is put in there to add taste for the ramen, because ramen is really not that nutritious or anything. It doesn't really have a lot of nutritional value, so they just put a lot of salt in it, kind of like cover to give you the illusion that it's good, but when it's really not. I'll put some lemon in here too. I was going to use that with the sea bass, but I'll be using it in the ramen instead. I'll be putting this lemon in here, squeezing it. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's it for that. I have some onion I made last night for that. So now I'll be putting it in the ramen instead. In the sea bass ramen. I'm cutting this up and put that in there along with all the stuff. Looks good. Now I'll put that in there. Okay. Put that in there. It's good. Stir it a little bit. And I want to put the ramen in there after I put everything in here. Some soy sauce. That's enough. some, I guess, seasoning that's in with it. I mean, the vegetables, whatever. Some garlic salt. Some onion powder. And that doesn't come out. Maybe I gotta poke little holes in it. Let's see. Kind of like clogged or something. Alright, let's try it now. Okay, that's good enough. I'll put some of this in here a little bit. That's good. I'll just mix it again. So this, the stove isn't at full blast in terms of the flame. It's just, I'm kind of like letting it simmer in here first. And just stirring it like that. Now I guess I'll put it in. I'll put the ramen in there now. You could use other type of noodles, but I'm just using ramen today. You could use rice noodles if you want, or any other thing, any other type of noodle. It doesn't have to be this brand of ramen. It could be any ramen. So I'm gonna leave it in here. Just turn up the heat a little bit more. Leave it in here for about maybe. Stir it for about 5 minutes and I'll show you how it looks after. So this is how it looks after it's cooked and everything. Let me see how soup tastes like. It's pretty good. It's got a good flavor to it. Without the soup base, of course. Pretty good. This is how it looks like. That's how it looks like. Tastes pretty good. If you want to comment, please comment. Thank you for watching.